Namaste, I am Ravi Asrani, Master Trainer at Omni Vedic Ganit Sansthan, Indore, India. It's an honor and pleasure for me to present a video on ancient and classical mathematics. The title of my video is Exposition of Chakraval Method, a gem of Bhaskara's algebra. यथा शिखा मयूराणाम नागानाम मणियो यथा तद्वद वेदांग शास्त्राणाम गणित मूर्धनि स्थितम. Meaning of this Sanskrit shlok is, as the crest on peacock and jewels on the serpent, mathematics stays at the head of all the Vedang Shastras. This is the supreme importance given to mathematics by Rishi Lagad in Vedas in 1000 BC. We are proud that we Indians are heroes behind the zero, as we all know that the discovery of zero, present number system, concept of infinity and miracle of Vedic mathematics are the greatest contribution of India to the world in the field of mathematics. But most of the people today are unaware of Indian mathematicians' contribution to algebra. The objective of this video is to invite attention of students and teachers of mathematics to the greatest contribution of ancient Indian mathematicians in the field of algebra. One of the most important contribution of them is discovery of perfect methods to obtain integral solutions of indeterminate equations. First of all, let us see what indeterminate equation is. If the number of unknown quantities is more than that of number of independent equations, then there will be infinitely many solutions and equations are said to be indeterminate. The indeterminate equation of first degree of the type ax minus by equal to c is called linear Diophantine equation, where abc are constant integers and xy are unknown variables. Second degree quadratic indeterminate equation of the form nx square plus 1 equal to y square is called Varga Prakriti by ancient Indian mathematicians. The word Varga means square and it refers to x square, while the word Prakriti means the nature and it refers to coefficient n. Presently, this quadratic indeterminate equation is known as Pell's equation. Now I present an interesting true story about a particular quadratic indeterminate equation. 61x square plus 1 equal to y square is a remarkable example of great historical interest. The famous French mathematician Pierre de Fermat in 1657 AD proposed the equation 61x square plus 1 equal to y square as a challenge for solution in integers to his fellow mathematicians of the Europe. Several mathematicians of the world participated in Fermat's challenge, but none of them succeeded in solving this equation in integers. And this problem interested mathematicians for about 75 years. The Fermat challenge problem 61x square plus 1 equal to y square was finally solved by renowned Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler in 1732, and Euler named this equation as Pell's equation. But surprisingly and coincidentally, the very same equation 61x square plus 1 equal to y square was completely solved by great Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya in 1150 AD by famous Chakraval method in his text Bij Ganitam about 500 years prior to Fermat's challenge. It is not known whether Fermat was aware of Bhaskara's work on indeterminate equation. The method of solving indeterminate equation in integers was discussed for the first time in the world history of mathematics by great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta in 499 AD in his text Aryabhatiam. So it is with Aryabhatta's contribution that we begin our historical study. Aryabhatta is one of the greatest mathematicians for all times. Aryabhatta was born on March 21, 476 AD. Probably Aryabhatta was native of Kerala. Aryabhatta's celebrated work Aryabhatiam was written in 499 AD. The most significant contribution of Aryabhatta in this text is his method of solving a first degree indeterminate equation of the form ax minus by equal to c. It is considered as Aryabhatta's most remarkable contribution to mathematics. Aryabhatta gives this method in just 2 stanzas in Sanskrit. The method of solving indeterminate equation in integers is called Kuttaka. Kuttaka literally means pulverizing or breaking, and the name has been given on account of process of continued division that is adopted for this solution. The method of solving quadratic indeterminate equation, that is Varga Prakriti, was discussed for the first time in the history of mathematics by great Indian mathematician Brahmagupta in 628 AD in his text Brahmasputa Siddhanta, about 1000 years prior to Fermat's challenge. Brahmagupta was known as Ganak Chakra Chudamani, means jewel in the galaxy of mathematicians. Brahmagupta was born in 598 AD. His well-known work and masterpiece Brahmasputa Siddhanta was composed in 628 AD. Its 18th chapter, called Kuttaka, denotes algebra, which contains method of solving Varga Prakriti. It is most outstanding and remarkable contribution of Brahmagupta to mathematics. Bhaskaracharya was a mathematician par excellence. Bhaskaracharya was most popular among Indian mathematicians. Bhaskaracharya was born in 1114 AD. His celebrated work Bij Ganitam is treatise on advanced algebra. Most important part of Bhaskara's algebra is his exposition of Indian cyclic method called Chakraval method to solve the indeterminate equation of the x square plus 1 equal to y square. Bhaskaracharya improved upon Brahmagupta's method. The handicap of trial solution is ably got over by the remarkable Chakraval method. Let us see historical travelogue of indeterminate equations. The indeterminate equations are wrongly called Diophantine equations after the name of ancient Greek mathematician Diophantus of 3rd century AD. Diophantus dealt with particular cases of algebraic equations like y square equal to ax square plus bx plus c with integer coefficients, for which rational solutions are sought. So the name Diophantine equation given to the indeterminate equation is historical error. The method of solving linear indeterminate equation in integers was discussed for the first time in the world history of mathematics by great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta in 499 AD in his text Aryabhatiam. While the method of solving quadratic indeterminate equation in integers was discussed for the first time in the world history of mathematics by great Indian mathematician Brahmagupta in 628 AD in his text Brahmasputa Siddhanta. It is remarkable contribution of Brahmagupta. However, an improved method to solve quadratic indeterminate equation was developed by great Indian mathematician Bhaskaracharya in 1150 AD in his text Bij Ganitam. This method is called Chakraval method. Indian mathematician Narayan Pandit in 1350 AD in his text Bij Ganita has solved the equation 97x square plus 1 equal to y square and 103x square plus 1 equal to y square. A part of the work Arithmetica of Diophantus was studied by Fermat. In 1657 AD, the famous French mathematician Pierre-de Fermat proposed the equation 61x square plus 1 equal to y square as a challenge for solution in integers. Several mathematicians participated in Fermat's challenge, but none of them was succeeded to solve this equation in integers. Finally, Fermat's challenge equation 61x square plus 1 equal to y square was completely solved by the renowned Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler in 1732, and he referred to it as Pell's equation, but it has no historical justification whatever. There is no contribution of Pell to this equation. An Italian renowned mathematician Joseph Louis Lagrange had given continued fraction approach for solving Pell's equation in 1657 AD. Let me conclude. It is our misfortune that many links of the past are buried in the sands of time. This remarkable achievement of great Indian mathematicians Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta and Bhaskaracharya to obtain integral solution of indeterminate equation is beyond all praise. But unfortunately, these amazing discoveries found no favor with some of their successor mathematicians of this world. This is the tragedy of Indian mathematics. I hope that this video lead to a proper appreciation to the greatest contribution of ancient Indian mathematicians. And under these circumstances, it should be appropriate to call Aryabhatta as father of algebra, as he rightly deserves this title, and designate the quadratic indeterminate equation of the form nx square plus 1 equal to y square as the Brahmagupta Bhaskara's equation. Thank you.